hold here, we arm up, we kick front. 1, 2, 3, brush 4, 5, 6, 7, brush 8, plie 1, railway 2, plie 3, third plie 4, 5 and 6, 7, third plie 8. Okay? After this, you finished. You stay here, we do small attitude, finding your center. 1, 2, 3, 4, release bar, 5, 6, 7, fifth patient plie on 8, start from back. 1, 2, 3, brush from 4. Reverse everything same. 5, 6, 7, brush back on 8. Plie, sous-sous, plie, third plie, plie, sous-sous, plie, third plie. We do attitude from small. Don't go high, okay? Small. Find your center release bar, hold, and plie. By the end, ending by 8 times to the side. Cut in deep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just simply sous-sous. Make sure everything's skinny, tight. 1, 2, 3, brush 4, 5, 6, 7, brush 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Attitude back. Hold. Stay. Release bar. And plie. Back, back, back. Brush front. Front, front, front. Brush back. Plie. Sous-sous. Plie. Back third plie. Plie. Sous-sous. Plie. Third plie. Plie. Attitude. Hold. Stay. Release bar. Plie. 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cut deep. Good. Sous-sous. Hold. Release bar.